great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli and today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful flower wreath for your door that is going to look gorgeous this summer season. And this idea is super easy, super quick and very inexpensive. But before we start with this video, please don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss any of the videos that are coming to this channel. But anyways, if you would like to learn how to make this beautiful wreath for your door, just keep watching this video. To make this beautiful summer wreath, we will need an embroidery hoop the size of your preference, artificial leaves and flowers, ribbon of the colors of your preference, a hot glue gun, and scissors. What we will do is glue the leaves and flowers to the hoop, and I decided to do it at the bottom only, but you can do it on one of the sides or all around too. I first glued the green leaves on each side and then the flowers in the center, alternating colors and styles. Be sure to put a lot of hot glue and secure it from the back so the flowers don't fall off. Afterwards, we make a bow with our ribbon, and in this case I decided to combine this gold and lace ribbon, and I glue one on top of the other and then glue it on the top of the wreath. And that's it! With these simple steps, you can give a fresh and nice homey touch to the door of your house for this summer season in a super easy, inexpensive and fast way with a beautiful result. We can make this gorgeous wreath for your door. As you can see, it's super easy project that you can do in literally like 15 minutes. So I hope you like this idea and you make it. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button down below and also subscribe so you don't miss any of the future videos that are coming for this channel. But as always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!